Hi everyone, this is happy birthday email video for the Shopify POS integration. So we're going to begin the video by opening up Shopify's POS. So this is what you'll see when your checkout is active. And we're just going to treat it like someone's buying a product. So we're just going to buy the canvas lunch bag khaki. And we'll put that order through. So we hit charge and just select cash. And then we'll just hit accept. So that order will just go through like any other order. So you get complete order notification, all of the settings are still the same. If you want to attach it against a customer record, you can do by hitting select customer. But what we're going to do to add birthday, we're going to click the three little dots in the top right hand corner of that little pop-up window. And what that will do is will open up the app so you can see our up there, add birthday. So we're just going to hit add birthday. That will pop up another window which allows us just to enter the customers, ask the customer for their email address. So we'll just put POS at happybirthday.co.uk and just add in their date of birth. And then we just hit submit. As simple as that, happy birthday has been stored successfully, so we can now complete the order. And just to check it, we can go into the bottom right hand corner of our POS system. You can see where it says store. So we just go down there and go into store, and that will allow us then to get into apps. So from the apps, we can click on the app, load up the app within POS, and we're just going to go into customers, and you will see right at the very top the date of birth which has just been added. So it's as simple as that. You can just ask the customer for their birthday after they've placed an order and send them an email on their birthday.